Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Govind Sharma. So in my previous tutorial, we had learned about dictionaries in Python, and today we are talking about sets. So sets is just like a dictionaries, but with unique key only. And sets are unordered, iterable, and mutable. And also it can contain multiple data types. And also it's made up of unique elements like as numbers, tuples, and strings. So let's start. Suppose I'm going to create an empty set as I have given already. Empty set equal to set and braces. So select this command control enter to execute. Okay, it's executed successfully. Now let's check it. Okay, so empty set is created, and now we're going to create a set. So I give a language Python, R, and Java. So let's create a set directory. So select this command control enter to execute, and let's check. Copy this and paste it here and enter. So it creates a set directory, and also create a set from a list. Select this. So this is the snakes, the cobra, viper, python. So you can give a set here to create a set from a list. Okay, so it creates already cobra, python, and viper. Okay. And now we are going to examine a set. Suppose we're checking the length of this set, languages, and enter. The length of the sets is 3. And if I give Python in language, oh, it returns a true. Okay, so Python in language, so it also returns true. If I give R in language, so it also returns true because there Python and R Java already here. So here we all set operation, how to work with operation, set operations. So I give it here languages and snakes. So let's see what happens. So it returns the intersection, language and snakes. This is the language and this is the snakes. Select this command control enter to execute. So it returns intersection. So it gives us Python. Okay. So language, the Python is unique and snakes Python. So unique word is Python. The intersection, and it returns a union. Language is snake. Select this. It gives the union Cobra, Java, Python, R, Viper. Okay. ठीक है. And we are going to subtract language minus snake. So it returns set difference. Language minus snakes, the language, Python minus Python, cross, and rest of it R and Java. अब जो बचा है वो R and Java है. अगर मैं इसको snakes minus language कर दूं तो it gives Cobra and Viper. Because Python से Python subtract हो गया. And now we are going to modify a set language. So we give the language dot add and in braces SQL. We are going to add a new element in a set like this. Now we are going to check the set. The name is language. So SQL added successfully. Okay. Now we are going to add one more thing. The language R. Now check this. Java, Python, R, SQL. Now I'm going to suppose we are going to remove any of the language just type languages dot remove, and of course I am going to remove here Java and enter. Now let's check. Okay, it's removed already successfully. Okay, it's removed. So now we are going to remove, of course, any word language dot remove, as I've given C. So C is non-existing element. So it returns a error. तो यहाँ पर C नाम का कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. And language dot discard C. Let's see. Because it removes an element if present, otherwise ignore. तो हम ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर C नाम का कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है. There is no one element here. And let's check what's the meaning of language dot pop. It returns a arbitrary element. So it gives the R. And suppose we want to clear a set, remove all elements, you just type here languages. Okay, yeah, copy कर लेते हैं. Copy this languages, comma clear, and enter. Now let's check. All sets are clear. Okay, let's remove all the elements. And now we are going to, suppose we are going to update new elements and multiple elements, as I have given here language dot update go Spark. Now let's check this. This is add a multiple elements and can also pass a list or set. Let's check this. Okay, so it's added successfully. Go Spark in ascending order. AGKOPRS. Okay. Suppose we are going to sorted a list, a unique element from a list. So how to do it? As I've given here sorted, just very simple. How to sort in Python? So very simple. Okay, set and bracket. यहाँ मैं दूंगा. And 5, anything you can give it. 0, 8, 11, 3, 2, and close and enter. So it's sorted successfully. 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it returns in ascending order. I hope you like this tutorial. So guys, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.